Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can remove thermostat on Toyota Prius 20. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, as you can see, I already removed thermostat. This is the cover. I untwist two bolts. After I remove this bad thermostat, this bed, and I want to change this new one. Friends, then we add antifreeze, this part and this part. And there we have a hexagon to remove air from the systems. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.